HTML button tutorial. I'm going to start by opening my Notepad++. You can get Notepad++ for free off the internet. Just go to Notepad++ and click on the appropriate download link. And I'll start by naming this as button.html. Has to be a .html file because we are using HTML language, which stands for hypertext markup language. If it's PHP, it would be .php. You can see it's just .html. Sorry. And we'll start by creating a simple web frame. We're making a entire website. It's a bit more complicated than this, but we're just going to get very simple web frame. So I'm making an opening HTML bracket. It's a tag. So opening HTML tag. And go down here, and it's a closing HTML tag. Okay. Difference between open and close. Open doesn't have the /. There, right there. /. Okay, and then we will do body. Here, 2 body tags. Open, close the body tags, and basically everything else inside the body tags will be what is shown on the web page. So your web page is right here, basically. Alright. So to make a button, an HTML button is simply button, just like that. Open and close. Open and close has the /. Right there. Enter it out. Done a few times. Actually, this just not. Sorry, just a second. Okay, let me put the name of the button. I'll title it "Go to Website." Okay, show you what a default HTML button looks like. Just type out just like that. Spell website. Okay, if you're understanding it, you have to practice it a few times before you can kind of get the hang of it. But right now, you just click save. Click the X, exit out of it. I'm going to open my Google Chrome and put the button over here. The file up there. Okay, and there you go. This is an HTML, a default HTML button. It won't work right now because I've attached a link to it, and the styling is very, very plain. First, we will attach a link to it, and after that, we're going to work on the styling. I'll do a little bit of styling, but not a whole lot. The link has to be around the button; it cannot be inside of it. It needs to be around. You can do an say href. It's A space href =, 2 quotation marks, and then you close it with the right arrow, just like that. Underneath this one, it has to go around it, not inside. It has to be around the button. Okay, just like that. Close the A right down there below the button, and then I'm going to use my website, http RandyMyers.me, just like that. http is http://RandyMyers.me. Some websites you have to use. Some websites it will open like that, so you use www. Including you have to include this to http://www. Sometimes you have to use an S right there, like that, just like that. You have to take it with some websites. You have to think about this a little bit just get to work properly. Okay, but mine, I'm just using this and it works fine. Okay, click save. If you have trouble keeping up, just click pause. Okay. Now, go to website. If you're using Google Chrome, you should just be able to drop it right here. You see that work now. See tutoring right there. All that. Okay. Just drop it right there. If you drop the first time, you should be able to just click the reload button to get information. Okay, it works now. I'm going to show you instead of opening it. See, it opens in the same tab. See up there, it opens in the same tab. And then basically you have to backspace it to get back in there. If you want to open into a separate tab, it's actually very simple. It's a very simple thing. You just type target equal quotation. You would do make an underscore link just like that. It is that easy to get it to go into a different tab. Let's put the space there. Space and then target equal sign, two quotation marks, and then you do an underscore blank, shift dash blank, underscore blank. Click save. You can reload this page, or I'll just drag it in there like that, and then say it opens into a different web page. So this is a website. We want to show another website here. Suggested website or suggested page, just like that. Okay. I'm going to show you how to style the button. I'll show you some styling. The styling method is actually CSS, which is short for Cascading Style Sheets. The version is 3, so it's CSS 3. HTML is actually this version is HTML 5. And we will do the styling inside of the button itself. We'll be using what is called the CSS inline styling method. We have 3 methods of CSS, but we will be using the inline. So the inline goes directly inside of the element or tag. It's an opening tag. Okay, style will be, let's do width. It's very narrow. 20 pixels. You have to do style equal sign, two quotation marks. That's how you start it. Has to be a space right there, and you do like, alright, this is width, or put width, and then you do a colon, 120 pixels, then you do a semicolon to close it. You open it with a colon and close a semicolon. You do height, of course, sorry, height, and let's do 35 pixels. Height colon 35 pixels, semicolon, colon, semicolon. Okay, let's do a background color. We're going to use a very plain color. I won't be using any custom colors. Not for this tutorial, but not. Let's try blue. I'll have a very high appeal, but I'll show you how to design it. Also, it's going to have a default border. It's 2 pixels default border. See a little gray around there. See, its width and the height is changed. Go to website. You can only see go to website needs to be a different color. We'll make it white, and the border is defaulted. So we're going to give it a border also. Okay, we'll change the color of the font color. You don't do like font hyphen color. It's background hyphen color. We'll just do color. It's always the font color is always just color. Make that white, and we're going to fix that border. Do border colon 2 pixels solid. It has to be spaced out on this side. On this side, if it's multiple words, it has to have a hyphen. On the right side of the CSS, it has to have a space. Okay, so it's solid blue. You can do black or whatever, and like that. Okay, yeah. Just like that. Color colon white semicolon border colon 2 pixels space solid space blue. Okay. Click pause in the video if you need to click pause. Okay. Let me try to drop in there every time, just like that. It has a target blank up there. And the target blank will open in the same page. Okay, I'll show you just a few more things with it. I like to do a font family. Candera. This is a very simple CSS. The method is the inline style method. There are other methods that are a bit better to use, but it's simpler to show you like this. If you are new to web design, it's simpler this way, I believe. Okay, Candera. I use the Candera a whole lot. So it's font hyphen family colon Candera. And it has to be capital letter Candera. It cannot be. It doesn't need to be like that. Don't do that. I'll never do that. When it has to do with the font family, you should use capital letter. You should do proper punctuation. That's the way I learned, at least. Semicolon at the end. Click save. Technically, you could reload this. I'm dragging it and dropping it to there, just so you have it in your memory. That's the Candera font style. Change font size on it. I don't do much more with this. It's getting kind of okay. Font size 120%, like that. Font hyphen size colon 120%. That's the way I want it. Okay. Click save. It's just too big. I'd have to make that button wider. Just make the width 180 or something like that. I'll show you something called box shadow. I won't show you any kind of effects to make it highlight or anything like that right now. 10 pixels, do that, 15 pixels. Great. Box hyphen shadow, color 15 pixel space, 15 pixel space, 15 pixel space gray. Okay, click save, and then there. It always know that the font size is fitted back to it, is because I changed it back. Okay, 100% I can fit it on there, but I'll have to make this wider, like right over here maybe. Okay, you see the shadow to it, the box shadow. It's better to use 3 if I use 2 pixels. If I use 2, then I'll show you the reason why it doesn't have the same effect. You can leave yours at 3, yours at 3, and I'm gonna show you the difference. You see how it has the shadow like that. If you do that, the appearance is a lot different. It looks really bad. It doesn't make any sense. It looks like you're trying to merge 2 buttons on top of one, like you were having trouble with a margin or something like that. But it makes a big difference if you just use 3 of them. It looks a lot better. And if you use 2, it's gonna look like something broke. Yeah, now that just looks like a shadow. It's like it's poking off the page. A little bit of an effect to that. Okay. Okay. Well, that's your button. That is your button. I need to link it. It's an HTML button. Okay. Let's get it right there. Okay, I see this. It's HTML button. Okay, my website is RennieMyers.me. Yes, Myers is M-Y-E-R-S. There are various ways to spell Myers, but mine is M-Y-E-R-S.me because the .com was not available. Okay, you can click subscribe and like. It'd be very much appreciated if you've done that. Thanks for watching my video.